Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Practice number 155.
Math Practice number 155. Today, we're doing some pretty cool geometry problems in Beast Academy.
Yep.
And then we got kind of hung up on this multiplication. 50 times 25. Now, you know what?
Yeah.
That's pretty tricky multiplication.
Yeah. So,
I thought it'd be fun to talk about this multiplication, but especially the number 25, because multiplying by 25 or multiplying something times 25 is actually pretty neat. 25 is a really special number. Do you know why?
Yeah, because they multiply by 4 to get 100.
Aha! There's a really important property of 25. And how do you know that, by the way? How do you know that when you multiply 25 times 4 you get 100?
4 quarters make $1.
Because 4 quarters make $1. So the thing that's special about 25 is 25 times 4 equals 100. So that's really helpful. How can we use that to help us know what 50 times 25 is?
Well, we can group them in 4s.
We could group them in 4s. Okay, so how many groups of 4 are there in 50?
I guess we just have to work up to them.
Yeah. Is there a multiple of 4 that's close to 50 that you know?
There's 40.
Aha! What's 4? How many groups of 4 make 40?
12, 16, 28, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 10.
So 10. Is there an easy way to figure that out?
10 times 4.
10 times 4 is?
40.
Okay, so we've got 4 times 10. Now how many more 4s do we need to get to 50?
Well, the closest we can get is 2 more 4s. That gets us to 48.
That's 4 times 2. And then how much do we have left over?
2.
That's 2.
It's not a multiple of 4.
That's fine. It's okay. We have 2 left over times 25. Okay, so we know we had 10 4s, and then 2 more 4s, and then just 2. Okay?
Yes.
So let's do our multiplying. Actually, by coincidence, the next section of Beast Academy is called the distributive property, so this actually works out pretty well. Okay, 4 times 10 times 25. Let's do this.
40 times 25.
Okay, well, let's do it this way. 4 times 10 times 25. So what's 25 times 4? Why did we group them into groups of 4?
Because 25 times 4 is 100.
And what's 100 times 10?
Is 1,000.
Okay. 4 times 25 times 10. Or 4 times 10 times 25. Maybe I should write that out. 4 times 10 times 25 is the same as 4 times 25 times 10. Oh, parentheses. Do you know why? Do you know what this rule is called when I move the 25 over?
No.
It's called the associative property. I'm not sure if we've talked about that. Have you ever heard that word before?
Uh-huh.
You have? Okay, maybe we have talked about it, but it's okay. So 4 times 25 times 100 times 10 is 1,000. Now what about 4 times 2 times 25? How would you do this? What would you say?
4 times 25 again is 100.
4 times 25 is 100 times
2 equals 200.
200. And then the last thing we have to do, that's that one, the last thing we have to do is 2 times 25.
2 times 25 is 50.
Is 50. So what is 50 times 25?
Is 1,250.
1,250. I'll write it up here just in case we go off the board. 1,250. So the nice thing about multiplying 25s is you know that 4 times 25 is 100. So if you can find groups of 4,
yep,
then it's not too hard to do. Was there another way to do this, or do you want to stop now?
You can stop.
You can stop?
Yep.
Okay, that's fine. So the thing we want to say in this video is it's easy to multiply 25s because
25 times 4 is 100.
25 times 4 is 100, so you just look for groups of 4, which we found here. 10 4s get us to 40, 2 more 4s get us to 48, and then we have 2 left over. All right? Good job, sweetie. Good job.